Hello everyone, Terry here, and today we're going to go over the correct way to remove and install your front kidney grills on your BMW. Now this will be a great thing to learn how to do in the event that maybe you need to remove yours in case you want to repaint the hood. Yours could have been damaged and you just need a replacement, or you could be like myself and you just want to do a cosmetic upgrade. Let me show you how. All right, everyone, here are the kidney grills of my Z3. As you can see, they are the stock ones with the matte black venting with the chrome border trim. Now, overall, these are a very nice piece, but I want to do a chrome delete myself. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to safely remove your kidney grills as well as how to install new ones. So let's first check out the ones that I got. All right, everybody, so I went ahead and I went online to eBay and I was searching to find some replacement grills because mine look nice, but that's not the look that I'm going for. And so I wanted to do a chrome delete. And now there are lots of different options out there. They have a full matte black. If you want to stick with the matte black that it has, just get rid of the chrome. You can go that route. They have a full gloss black, as well as they also have black ones. They'll have like the blue and like red coloring for BMW. You can go ahead and you can get that as well. But I wanted to have some gloss, so let me go ahead and show you these sweet grills that I picked up. All right, so I went ahead and I ordered these beautiful gloss black kidney grills here. If you like what you see, I'll have a link posted in the description here, so you can go ahead and pick yourself up a set. But these they look great. I love the gloss, and you just see there's just a couple tabs that you'll use to snap these right in place. So let's go ahead and get the other ones out. All right, the tools of the trade that you'll use is you can either use a nice handy dandy trim tool to pry the little tabs loose, or if you don't have one of them, just a standard little flat screwdriver will work as well. All right, so you're going to want to access this clip here as well as right there. Get the two on the bottom first, and then you can get the one on each side, and then once you get those, you'll be able to just push this out. All right, so mine are so well in, like mine are very, very snug, and I haven't been able to do much prying from the inside, and I'm worried about breaking the tabs. So what I've been doing is I've been very carefully on the outside taking my trim tool, and I've just been slowly working it around the chrome trim here, and that's been breaking the seal, because now with this one that I've been working on, I now have some play. So now I should be able to go on the inside and move those little tabs so I can pull this out. All right, so I didn't have to mess with the tabs on the inside at all. After I got done working this trim to where I got loose, I started to lift up on this a little bit and kind of give it a real light, kind of like wiggle, and it should hopefully pop out. Just try to be gentle because you don't want to break these. Just kind of shimmy it gently. It's coming out, so close. Nice and gentle. Don't want to snap anything. I might need to go on the inside, and there might be something catching in this corner here, but everything else is out. It's just this one corner. So let me take my screwdriver to the inside here and see if I can get that out. All right, and then I was able to take the screwdriver and just go right underneath here. There's like a little clip underneath there that kind of has like this like wing shape. You just kind of get that to pop up. And so I was able to get this one to pop and this one to pop, and then I worked on the sides, and now I can just pop it straight out. You see how they're kind of like wing shaped on the factory ones? So you can slide your screwdriver underneath to kind of push this part up, so that way it will detach. Don't go on the inside of this plastic piece. I mean, you can, but it was easier for me to kind of go underneath it and kind of get this part to go up. And there we go. It is removed, and none of my clips are broken. They're all intact. All right, fantastic. Now I just got to repeat the process for the other one. Let's go ahead and get this last one out. Just gonna pop this one corner right in here. Can't see what I'm doing, of course. Come right there. And then I should be able to there we go. Trying to do this while holding camera is not the easiest. I pull that trim tool out, and now I can lift this out. There we go, and there you go. That's how you get those out. Once again, you'll have a lot easier time because you won't be trying to record. But there you go. Just use the trim tool. This way you don't risk breaking any of these little plastic tabs, and so you don't end up scratching up your paint. There we go, the originals. Now let's go get those beautiful gloss ones, and we're going to put them in. But before I do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clean all of this up because I want to make sure that none of this filth is showing when I get the new ones put in. So I'll be back in just like that. All right, nice and clean. Upon closer inspection, I noticed that it actually looks like my grills were put on the car possibly when the paint was still wet, because my grill ended up bonding to the paint. So that was explain why mine had some adhesion. So yeah, that's my best guess, is they were in a hurry while doing the production of my car, and the paint was still wet. Let's go ahead and get these new grills put on. So this is the original ones. I laid them down in the same way that they came out, so that way I don't mess this up. So I believe this one will go like that. So if I'm looking at the way the originals are, all my bends are the same. So these ones are going to go in just like that, so that way they match. Like I said, you can get these in matte black. I really like the way the gloss looks, or you can get like the blue and like red striping on these fins right here, if you want to go for more of like a heritage look. All right, let's snap these in. All right, so should be able to just, oh wow, look how nice that looks. It just snaps right in like so. Oh wow. Oh wow. Grab the other one. Look at that. Completely brand new look to the car. That looks so good. Oh man, that looks so good. I'm gonna have to get my emblems redone so that way the black matches this, because man, that gloss black. Let me step back a bit here. Oh, Look at that. This is really, the look of the car is really coming together. We got we changed the emblems to black and white. We got the side markers in black. We did the chrome delete. Really coming together. I'm absolutely loving it. Plus an easy little cosmetic change that you can do as well. So I highly recommend you do this. Like I said, there are different options for what you want to do. And if you do have a 90s version, you won't have the chrome. So you can even add the chrome if you would prefer. And then these are the same grills, I believe, that are on the E36. So they're interchangeable depending on what kind of car you have. Oh, so good. I'm so happy. Hey y'all, thank you so much for being here for this project. I really appreciate it. The car's coming along. Looking forward to more projects. If you enjoyed what you've seen today, please make sure you give the video a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at CoolCatTerry, and I will see you on the next project. Bye!